Last year, more than 1,500 cruise passengers from various cruise lines got sick from norovirus. These cruise tips will help you stay healthy throughout your voyage. Bring a pack of disinfectant wipes with you. I use the Clorox brand. The first thing to tackle is the phone. These are the same first-time cruise tips that I give to every new cruiser I meet. The second thing is the TV remote. This is actually the dirtiest touch surface item in the entire stateroom. And if you're getting value from this video so far, hit subscribe and the notification bell if you haven't done so already to receive these weekly insider tips. Now clean the door handle to your cabin. Make sure you wipe down the full handle to disinfect it. This is one of the most important surfaces to clean. Wipe down any light switches nearby. Don't forget the thermostat to the air conditioner. Always wipe this down. And if your room has a safe, wipe down the keypad and surrounding surfaces. Closet door handles are also areas to clean, as well as the handles to any drawers and cabinets. And if your stateroom has a fridge, make sure you clean that as well. Don't forget to wipe down electrical outlet covers. These get touched more than you think. Now wipe down the toilet handle and seat, the bathroom faucets, and other high-touch areas. And the last thing is your cell phone. You might as well clean it since you arrived on the cruise ship. While all cruise lines follow the vessel sanitation program by the CDC and clean cabins between guests, this cleaning routine adds an extra layer of protection. The last thing you want is to be sick during your travels. You only need this cleaning process on your first day aboard. It should only take you about 5 to 10 minutes. Also, wash your hands regularly while on the cruise ship. Take these steps within your first hour aboard, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your cabin is truly clean and ready for an amazing vacation. What surface do you always disinfect first? Drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear your cleaning routine. I'm Andy Hodges for Cruiser's Choice. Thanks for watching.